Here's how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. Let's jump in on my iPhone, but you can do the exact same steps on an Android as well. Now, you would immediately think, okay, I'm going to change this in the Telegram app. But for whatever reason, it isn't anywhere in the settings of the Telegram app. You need to actually hop out of here, again on your iPhone or Android, and open up a web browser instead. From here, you need to go directly to the website-based version of Telegram. And that website-based version is web.telegram.org. Again, it needs to be .org. It can't be .com. So after you've done that, just log into your account. You can see I'm already logged in. Usually it will text you a code, and it'll text you a code to your Telegram app. So you can see here on Telegram, it'll say, all right, we detected a login, and here's the code that you'll be using to log in. Now, after you've logged in on the website-based version, you're going to get to your settings. So tap on the three lines at the top left, and then just tap on Settings. Now, it looks similar to the web-based version or the app-based version. However, it allows you to change a setting that's not in the app in the privacy and security. So tap on Privacy and Security, and then from here, you're going to scroll down. And you can see on here, it says sensitive content. Show 18 plus content. Do not hide media that contains content suitable only for adults. Keep in mind, if you have a minor account, then this won't be an option for you. But if that's unchecked, just select it. And now from here, all you need to do is hop back into the Telegram app here, and you'll be good to go. You might need to close out of the app and open it back up again. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you will like that one too, and thanks for watching.